Start with our cotton silk sarees.
Yeah, this is sari number 1, priced at 1490, 1490.
So this is a nice Mambra yellow with red combination. The whole of the body has beautiful patola printed patterns with very pretty borders on either side. It's got a traditional patola printed pallu and a self-printed red color blouse.
Sari number 1, priced at 1490. Moving on to sari number 2, priced at 1780, 1780, sari number 2.
This is a green with a mustard combination. Patola patterns all over the body, printed patola patterns, and that is going to be the pallu, a nice printed pallu, and a self-printed green color blouse.
Sari number 2, priced at 1780, 1780.
Moving on to muslins. So this is going to be the same color as what I am wearing, but with a different motif in the whole body.
Yeah, this is sari number 6, priced at 4950, 4950.
It's got a beautiful flow. The sari has a very nice flow. Very pretty colors. All these are going to be pastel shades in muslin. So that's going to be a woven border and the whole of the borders. It has peacocks and floral buttas, and the whole of the body has nice round jari woven peacock buttas, a jari pallu, and a fully brocade woven peach color blouse.
Sari number 6, priced at 4950, 4950. Moving on to sari number 7, priced at 4450, 4450, sari number 7.
This is a nice grey. Floral borders on either sides of the sari, a very classy color. Gold jari buttas all over the body, diamond gold jari buttas all over. A nice jari pallu and a fully brocade grey color blouse.
Sari number 7, priced at 4450, 4450.
Next, a lighter shade of what I am wearing. It's a light peachish baby pink.
Sari number 8, priced at 4950.
The borders have yane butta, floral and manga buttas. Very pretty diamond jari woven buttas all over the body. Excellent color. It's a light baby pink, a jari pallu, and a fully brocade woven blouse.
Sari number 8, priced at 4950.
This is a beautiful cream base with dancing doll buttas all over the body, as you can see. A nice Radha Krishna pallu and a plain cream color printed blouse.
Sari number 14, priced at 4680. Moving on to sari number 16, priced at 4680, 4680, sari number 16.
Dancing doll buttas all over the body, blue color borders on either sides, floral borders. A very pretty Radha Krishna pallu and a blue color floral printed blouse.
Sari 16, priced at 4680.
Moving on to our ikat silks.
Starting with sari number 18, priced at 6950, 6950.
Fluorescent green with blue. Beautiful fluorescent green body with ikat woven patterns. A plain blue color border in the upper portion and a tissue border in the lower half with ikat woven patterns. That's going to be the pallu, a beautiful blue color pallu and a plain blue color blouse.
Sari number 18, priced at 6950, 6950. Moving on to sari number 19, priced at 6950.
Beautiful orangish tone with green combination. It's a double shaded orange with bottle green. Half plain green color border in the upper portion. That's going to be the whole body. A woven pallu in green and a plain green color blouse.
Sari number 19, priced at 6950, 6950. People who are looking to buy these saris, there will be a link posted in the comment section. It will be pinned for your reference, but please click on the link after the session is over. It will be updated with all the saris that we are showing in the live today. So this is sari number 20, priced at 6950, 6950.
Next we have a maroon with a Mambra yellow. Beautiful borders on either sides of the sari. The lower half has a nice woven border The whole body has very pretty woven patterns, a mustard woven pallu and a plain mustard color blouse.
Sari 20 price at 6950.
Moving on to our Bangalore silk.
Sari 22 price at 6280. 6280. Sari number
We have a
22.
beige with a rust orange combination. Plain body with beautiful woven borders on either side of the sari. That's going to be the whole body. A very pretty jari pallu in red and a plain red color blouse.
Alright, this is sari number 22 price at 6280. 6280. Moving on to sari number 24 price at 7980.
Starting
7980.
with our Kanjivaram, affordable Kanjivaram. It's going to be in 7 range today, 7 to 8 range maximum. So this is going to be an iron butta concept, a nice navy blue with purple combination. The whole of the body has beautiful jari woven floral buttas, very pretty woven borders on either side of the sari. A nice jari pallu, very intricately woven jari pallu in purple and a plain purple color blouse.
Sari number 24 price at 7980. Yeah, this is sari number 25 price at 7680. 7680.
So this has got a beautiful peacock border on either sides of the sari, slightly smaller border than the previous sari. The whole body has iron butta concept again, a nice mustard with a pink, beautiful jari pallu and a plain pink color blouse.
Sari 25 price at 7680. Price at 7980. 7980. Sari number 27.
This is a green with orange combination, very similar to what we saw earlier. With reticule borders on either sides, beautiful woven jacquard pattern all over the body. A nice jari pallu in pink and a plain pink color blouse.
Sari 27 price at 7980. Sari number 28 price at 7980. 7980.
This is a beautiful ink blue with pink combination. Very pretty floral borders on either sides of the sari. The whole body has nice jari woven buttas. A very pretty jari pallu in pink and a plain pink color blouse.
Sari number 28 price at 7980. Up next is sari number 30 price at 7690. 7690. Sari number 30.
Amazing checkered pattern all over the body. Peacocks in the borders. Full butta woven patterns all over the body. Extremely rich sari. It's going to be the whole body. Beautiful jari pallu in pink and a plain pink color blouse.
Sari number 30 price at 7690.
I think you have enjoyed today's video. So please stay tuned to our page and follow us on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube for more interesting videos. Thank you and stay tuned. Bye-bye.